So now I will show you the path to create forecast. Production planning, demand management. You can see planned independent requirements. So these are the transaction codes. MD61. Oh, sorry. This is MD, not MD11. It is MD61. MD62. MD63. Okay. So you can see here MD61, 2 and 3. So open this transaction code MD61. This is the initial screen. Here you enter the Honda or FG material, Honda underscore car, and enter the plant 3001 plant, and in the bottom you can see planning horizon, means this feature PIRs you want to create for how many months. Maybe you want to create for 2 months or 5 months or 6 months or 1 year. You can put the date range here, and that 100 you want to create for monthly or daily or weekly, you can maintain here as per your data, how you want to maintain the data. Okay. So for example, I selected the month and then press enter. Okay, so here you can see your material and your plant, and here the table columns has come with a month wise, and based on the planning horizon from 1 to that many months, it will show you the data here.
So 5, 6, 7 up to
next year March, next year May. Okay.
So if the company say 4 months, so we can go up
Yes,
to
4 months.
7. Okay.
Correct. In initial screen, yeah, whatever the data means horizon you maintain, there is no problem here. You can enter, and but you want to maintain only 4 months data, you can maintain. Like
How you
in
put
the
the 4 months? What is this 100?
yeah, I'm
This
just
is
entering value.
100
So
means the number.
in the month, yeah, in the month of April,
You need
I
100
want to produce 100 cars.
means, yeah.
In the month of May, I want to produce 120. In the month of June, I want to produce 150 cars. In the month of July, I want to produce 200. Version is always a active version, that is called the 00.
Oh, this
Okay.
is standard.
Yeah, it is a standard only.
I see.
We have a concept like long-term planning. Okay. So that time you may require, maybe you will use the different versions that time. 00 is actually the active version. Always you can keep the 00.
Now MRP showing 3001. Is this MRP where it comes from? MRP.
This is plant. We
But
enter in the initial screen.
it says
M,
MRP on the top.
yeah, MRP area. Okay. In this case, MRP area and plant both are same in our case.
I see.
Okay. This is nothing but a plant. Okay. So in this transaction, just we will enter how much is your future demand. Okay. Values per month. And once you enter this one, you can save this. Click on save button.
Okay.
Okay. Is this clear how to create PIR, planned
Yeah.
independent requirements? Okay.
Yes.